Hey everyone, welcome back to Esther, Malka. I am so excited. Today I have this really cool toy as I showed you earlier this week. It's called Under the Seashells and it's a great game. I really enjoy it. So there's two parts. Today I'm actually going to open it up, show you what's inside, and show you more or less the visual aspect. And then I'm going to show you on the next video, step 2, which kind of adds a level of complexity and self-testing. So let's check this out. And I just also want to point out, this is actually one of my favorite games. It is not part of the school, which makes me so sad. It's in our wish list, so if you want to buy any products and donate it to Esther Malka, don't forget to head over to our Pinterest page. Anyway, let's check this out. And this is, what can I tell you? It's just a great classroom tool. So first you have these really cute clams. I mean, look how cute they are. They're big and they're really easy for children to just like hold and manipulate. And there's 4 of them. Now I just want to point out, not necessarily for players. Some of them need more than one. So that's just something you should note. You could play in groups or not. Then they have these little counters. Here, just give you guys a little closer up. These counters, there are, they have clams, starfish, so they're color-coded. Here, so you guys could see better. So some of them are color-coded, and last but not least, we have the most important part, and that is the question cards. Now, the question cards are also color-coded. There is a border on the outside, and the border actually indicates difficulty level. So, you'll start off with your child's difficulty level and you'll increase it as they go along, which is another reason I love this, because let's say you have a child who just started these cards. So a child who's on level 2 could sit with a child on level 1, work together and test each other. I mean, how cool is that? You're totally creating collaboration. But anyway, let's get started how we would actually play it. So for level 1, I'm just going to pick any one at random. So we're going to do this together. And I'm going to show you how I think and teach the child. Level 1. The clam has 4 more crab friends. So depending on the comprehension level, I might read it or the child might read it. So we know we're dealing with a clam because it says the clam has 4 more crab friends. And we know we're dealing with crab friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't know what. Then the starfish. So the question is, the starfish, he has 3 starfish friends. So we will take out 3 starfish friends. Now a tip on this, when you're adding, as you can see, there are 2 groups. While you can take different colors, I suggest, let's get another one, is actually keeping them within the same color. So as you can see here, when the children actually put it in the clam, and they get all mixed up, they're actually visually discriminating by color. So that's just a little tip, not a necessary, but something that I find is an added benefit. Anyway, he has 3 starfish friends. How many crab friends does the clam have? Well, really simple. We just put it together. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How easy was that? Let's rewind a second. What did we do? We read the card, so that's reading comprehension. The children got to physically pick up and go through the problem. So that's visual skills. And at the end, when they were finished, they visually saw the answer. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. What a better way to introduce problem solving to learners than with this game. I mean, look at this. The starfish, they're just and you have the clams. They don't always use the clams, but look at that. The problem was right here. It's one quick glance and we are so good to go. So in my opinion, yeah, I like this game. Again, this is, let me show you one more time. Under the Seashells, this is not my game in terms of for Esther Malka, but this game I have seen other people play with it, and it is such an amazing game. Not only do I want it for our school, I would totally recommend. And this game, I believe this specific version or edition is, I would say, at least between 5 to 8 years old from my knowledge. And look at this. I mean, I'm just going to give you a sneak peek inside. Look how well these counters hold up. I mean, you're getting quality, you're getting quantity, and you're getting math word problems that are leveled. Who could ask for anything more? So in my opinion, yeah, this is definitely something. I'll tell you who should have this game. If you're a therapist or a see it or a sets provider and the child needs a little bit of help, with word problems, go visual. If you work in a classroom and the children just need a little bit of, whether it's playtime or downtime, go visual. And if you're a mom and you're like, who wants to tell their child that they go to school all day, hey, who wants to come home and work? Nah, don't tell them that anymore. What about, hey, who wants to play under the seashells? And you got them hooked. In my opinion, Under the Seashells is so worth it. Before you leave, don't forget to check out the affiliate link below because we actually get a portion to help support this channel. That's number one. How cool is that? Number two, don't forget to check out our Pinterest page because not only do we have our wish list up there, we have tons of educational resources from both Esther, Malka, which we would love to share with you guys, as well as from other people because you know what? We learn together. And last but not least, if you have any questions on how to make, skills more fun, let us know because together we want to make education fun for everyone. Under the Seashells is definitely a game worth getting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome to the family.